Ravan, the demon king of Lanka, observed severe penance to please Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Pleased with his devotion, Lord Shiva appeared before him and said, "Ask for a boon, Ravan. I will grant any of your wish." Ravan asked, "Dear Lord, I want the Atmalinga. Please grant me the same." Lord Shiva was concerned as Atmaling is a form in which Shiva is worshipped and it has a power to make Ravan undefeatable. But Lord Shiva had promised Ravan to give him whatever he had asked for. Lord Shiva decided to give him the Atmaling with a condition and said, "You must walk all the way to Lanka holding the Atmalinga in your hands. But don't put the Atmalinga down, even for a moment. Otherwise, it will stay rooted to that spot forever." And then Lord Shiva disappeared. Ravan thought it's a long way from Mount Kailash to Lanka, but he can do it. He was jubilant that he has acquired the very power of Shiva and no one can ever destroy him. Ravan started his journey back home, carefully carrying the sacred linga. The gods in the heaven were watching Ravan and they were worried that with the Atmaling, Ravan's power will be greater than ever and he will defeat them all. They all went to seek Lord Ganesha's help. They requested Ganesha to stop Ravan from taking the Atmalinga to Lanka because they knew that Ravan will misuse his powers and the world will be in a mortal danger. Lord Ganesha promised the gods that he will find a way to stop Ravan. Ganesha went on the earth and followed Ravan. Ravan was walking very fast. He soon reached the west coast and walked impatiently along the deserted seashore. Ganesha knew that Ravan is a stickler for rituals and he has to perform the evening prayers at sunset every day. Ganesha invoked the power of Lord Vishnu to block out the sun. Ravana was puzzled for a moment to see the sun set so suddenly. But he did not suspect. He thought, "It is time for me to say my evening prayers." Ravan was in dilemma. He could not put the link down and couldn't pray with it in his hands. He needed someone to hold it for him. He worriedly looked around. Just then he saw a young Brahmin boy. He immediately held out the Atmaling to the boy. The boy said, "It's too heavy for me. Keep it on the ground." Ravan replied, "No, I can't keep it on the ground. Just hold it till I finish my prayers." The boy said again, "Then I can't hold it. It's too heavy." Ravan requested the boy again, "I will return soon. Please hold it until I come back." The boy finally agreed. Ravan was relieved and handed over the Atmalinga to the boy. Little did he know that the boy was actually Lord Ganesh. The sharp-witted Ganesh waited until Ravan was in the middle of his prayer and then he started, "This is too heavy for me. I am going to put it down." Alarmed Ravan said, "No, don't. I'm coming soon. Just don't put it down." Ravan was hurrying through his prayers, trying to finish as soon as possible. Ganesha shouted again, "It's too heavy. I am putting it down." Ravan finished his prayers and rushed back, but it was too late. Ganesha had already put the Atmalinga on the ground. Suddenly, the sun was back in the sky. Ravan realized that he had been tricked. He tried to move the ling, but it was rooted there forever. Enraged Ravan chased the boy and he hit him thrice on his head with his fist. Then Ganesha resumed his true form. Realizing what he had done, Ravan bowed before Ganesha. And that was the end of the story. The temple over the Atmalinga is called the Mahabaleshwar temple. Mahabala means great power and Ishwar means God. The place where Ganesha placed the Atmalinga is believed to be in Gokarna in Karnataka. There is a temple built around the Atmalinga. Next to it is a shrine of Ganesh, where the idol has a dent on its forehead, symbolizing the incident. The great force exerted by Ravan on the ling is said to have changed its shape. The ling now resembles the ear of cow. In fact, the name Gokarna comes from this. Go means cow, Karnam means ear. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the story and I'll come up with a new story next Friday. Till then, you take care and I thank you very much.